Hello, this is going to be a 140 word per minute Q&A. It is edited for privacy and is at the end of the take. Remember to review your notes for accuracy or misstrokes. When my hand is up, it's question. When my hand is down, it's answer. And we will begin. Okay, and is there any reason to believe that the insureds were not being truthful during the claims process? No. All right, so at some point, Miss Slab scheduled an inspection with the Roger Villa PA in order to inspect the property. Did that inspection ever take place? Yes. As previously stated, she inspected it on July the 13th of 2018. All right, and during Miss Slab's inspection, did Florida send anyone else other than Miss Slab to inspect the property? No. With her? No. Did Miss Slab perform any tests while at the subject property during her inspection? Not to my knowledge. What did Miss Slab do during her inspection of the property? She inspected the property, interior and exterior. Okay, and what would that inspection consist of? And took photos. Huh? What did her inspection consist of? Just taking photos? She takes photos of the house, the residence itself. She takes pictures of what they're claiming as damaged, and she takes pictures of the roof. Then she takes pictures of the interior home and the rooms and or damage that is being claimed. How many photos did Miss Slab take of the property during her inspection? Hold on, let me look. Documents. There are two photos on each page, and there are, there are 50 photos? Okay, thank you. Outside of Miss Slab, did anyone ever inspect the property on behalf of Florida? No. After Miss Slab's inspection of the property, what happened next, if anything? She made her evaluation and recommendations to Florida. She felt that from her inspection, the roof review, that it was in fair condition, but there were signs of granular loss, which occurred over time. She noted that there was a failed repair patch causing damage in the ceiling and efficiency, and deterioration of the rolling roof. And the flat roof caused damage to the den. There was interior damage to the living room, kitchen, hallway, and all that. And she made all that assessment and gave it to Florida management based upon her investigation, what her recommendations were. And it went to Toby Decker, which is a Florida manager. He reviewed the documents and the photos, and he concurred with Miss Slab that this was not a covered loss. And he told her to proceed with the denial. Now, is Mr. Decker still an employee of Florida? I have no idea. Prior to today's deposition, did you speak to Mr. Decker in order to discuss this claim? As I previously stated, I spoke to no one but my defense counsel in this claim. And do you know why Mr. Decker agreed with Miss Slab's recommendation to deny this claim? One, I would say, to answer that question, you would have to ask him. But two, based upon the investigation of the field adjuster and their findings, he obviously reviewed it and concurred with her, and then gave her the permission to go ahead and move on with the denial. Do you know if Miss Slab is qualified to make determinations as to cause of loss regarding roof damage? I know nothing about Miss Slab other than she's a field adjuster, and she's experienced on adjusting claims as a field adjuster. I know nothing about her personal background. Do you know if she's ever taken any courses that would help her identify the cause of damage to roof damage? I just said that I have no idea of her professional stature. I don't know anything about her. Never met her. Don't know what her credentials are. And does anyone at Florida know what credentials she has or what qualifications she had for making those types of determinations? All I can tell you is that I know she's licensed. That's outside the area of my expertise to investigate other field adjusters and stuff. That's not what I do. And what kind of license does Miss Slab have? As I previously stated, she would have to have a Florida license to be a field adjuster in the state of Florida. But when it comes to questions about her, I would defer that to her, and you could probably be able to get her credentials. Okay, that's the end of this take. Remember to review your notes, and I'll see you in the next video.